Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Collectr link. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share your Collectr link. Maybe you're trying to sell something, maybe you're trying to show someone your portfolio. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Collectr app. Next, click on Profile in the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Settings on the middle hand side. Then you're going to be able to see Portfolio Sharing. So copy that link for portfolio sharing, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your Collectr link. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.